So today I'm going to show you how to create this date night makeup look using all Pudaier Bangladesh and Focallure products from Daraz Mall. And as you guys know that Daraz Mall has 100% authentic products. So let's not waste any time and let's get on to the video. So this was my date night makeup tutorial for this Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys also want to do this amazing makeup look, do check out Daraz Mall on Daraz app for 100% authentic makeup products. And you will get lots of flash sales, discounts and amazing deals because Daraz's Valentine's Day campaign is live now and will continue till 14th of February. So hurry up and visit the Daraz app now. And also don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get a notification every time when I upload, and I see you on my next one. I love you guys.